Hi, fourth graders. Happy Wednesday. So now that we've looked at volume with some of the cool structures around the world, we are going to take a look at a structure that is near to us, which is the Willis Tower in Chicago. And some of you may know that this used to be called the Sears Tower. I've actually been pretty much right at the top of this, right about there. When I was in high school, we took a trip to Chicago and went to the top. And so we're going to analyze the volume of this Willis Tower. In the book, it says that it's the eighth tallest building in the world. Now it's the 12th. That was of 2013. So 12th tallest building in the world, second tallest building in the United States. Don't ask me what the first one is. I think it might be in the new World Trade Center in New York, which I don't think is the official name of that. Anyhow, what I think is interesting about this is it's made of 9 different tall, skinny rectangles. So you can see there's one. Here's another one. That goes all the way down here. I think this one over here is maybe shorter. This one here is shorter. And you can see that the tallest ones are in the center. But there are 9 in all. And so I'm going to skip that page. And so you can see that there's this grid of the 9 different rectangles. So this one might be that one right there. And this one, obviously, this graph, this picture is not showing you all 9, but imagine how you would build off of each of these bases. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bases to form those different heights and those different volumes. So you're going to figure out the entire volume of this Willis Tower. And one thing to know is that if you look at a 75 foot by 75 foot section, that base is 5,625 feet squared. And these are all 75 by 75, so every base is going to be the same. Okay? Now, they're not all the same height. So this list gives you all of the different heights. And yes, you may use a calculator. Okay? So basically what you're going to do is for each of these, you're going to take 5,625 and you're going to multiply it by each of those heights and then combine them. All right? So this page is for you to explain how you did it, which is kind of following with what I just told you to do. And maybe there are more efficient strategies. You can think about that. There are a few different ways you could think about this problem besides the way that I gave you. So maybe you want to be creative and find another way. And then there's a website called theskydeck.com where I got this picture, this original picture. And I have sent you some facts about the Willis Tower, but you can go online and learn a lot more and take some quizzes about the Willis Tower, find out visiting hours. Right now, I'm probably sure that it's not open for visitors, but at some point it will open back up and you can visit and see what it looks like. You can see that there's a great view of the skyline of Chicago and the lake from the top of the tower. So I look forward to seeing your answers later today.